Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olga if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to make pottery barn, wafer and earthy dupes that won't break the bank. So if you're interested, keep watching. I had a request from Julie K to make Juju Hat. So hi Julie if you're watching, and thank you for the request. So these are my inspo pieces. For the base I will be using the leftover piece of IKEA wall clock from one of my previous projects. But if you don't have it, you can make the base from cardboard. Also, I will be using 7 packs of black goose feathers from the Dollar Tree. And I glue them to the base while trying to keep them at the same height.
Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sun.
When I'm done, I'm adding feathers in between 2 feathers to make it look fuller. And to make more fluffy look, I fold some of the feathers if needed.
Do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with always running in circles, try to make up my mind.
And then I add another layer where I see some gaps, but I'm not using all. I left some feathers to the end, so I can add some once the project is ready, where I still see that more needs to be added. Next, I'm going to add white goose feathers, and I also have 7 packs of it. The white ones I'm gluing a bit lower, but before I cut them as they are too long. Once I'm done with first round, I'm adding more feathers in between. For the third round, I'm gluing them a bit lower, and I also fold them to make the Juju hat look fluffier. As I'm moving towards the middle, I make them shorter and also fold them and then glue them.
Boy, you're running in circles, you're always on my mind. I'm wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. 'Cause I have been waiting for quite a long time.
And this is how my Juju Hat dupe turned out with 7 packs of each color. It is a beautiful and eye-catching statement piece that will make any room and home look cozy and will fit rustic and bohemian interior decor perfectly.
We dance in the moonlight,
hold hands if the mood's right,
make plans till the sunrise, and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet,
and leave.
I wanted to make this faux pampas grass shadow box from Pottery barn long time ago. I'm going to use this linen fabric from the dollar store. It is long enough for this project. And this kitchen sign from the dollar store that I had. I remove carefully the paper at the back and the hanger as well as the glue that holds the sign, and take the sign out of the frame, as I don't want to destroy the sign in case I will be using it in future. I'm going to use the clear tape to hold the fabric.
You know that I would, you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would, you know I would.
And then I just place it back, secure it and place back the paper that still has the glue on it.
Soft serve eyes on a Sunday afternoon. Where did I lose?
Next, I was going to use pampas grass that I picked up outside, as in my inspo, but my frame is too narrow, so instead I decided to use this grass. I don't remember how it calls. If you know, please remind me. And I'm using a piece of burlap fabric tape to hold the grass.
I'm awake in the middle of the night. I knew that everything would be alright. And if I knew what the end would feel like, it feels like if I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that.
And then I just glue it to the fabric, and that is how easy this project can be made. It gives nature vibes and fits lots of interior decor styles, from bohemian to modern.
You know that I would, you know I would. 'Cause I got no regrets, looking back, wouldn't trade with nobody else. 'Cause I got no regrets, looking back on what's left. That's the wood.
Another inspo piece is this bowl from Pottery Barn. I really like the shape and the color. So for this project I'm going to use this garden dish from the Dollar Tree and this bowl as a base, also from the Dollar Tree. I know it's wider comparing to the inspo piece. On both we can see the middle, so it is very easy as we can glue it right in the center.
That I find all the time isn't on my side. And now I'm awake in the middle of the night, wishing I had a little more time.
Next, I'm using a piece of burlap fabric that I had on hand to guide me. This way I'll have the rope glued perfectly on the line. As you already noticed, I decided to change and add texture to my piece comparing to my inspo piece, but the shape stays the same.
Feels like if I could ever turn back,
Also, I cut a smaller piece of the tape and glue another row below, as you can see, guys.
you know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again.
Another addition are these wood rings, and I'm gluing a small piece of tape to help me glue the handles on both sides.
'Cause I got no regrets, looking back,
Also, I mark on the rings where I need to add the glue, and then I glue them to the bowl.
no regrets, looking back on what's left as the wood. You know I would.
And now it's time to paint the bowl. First, I'm using Trellis Grey Chalk Paint by Art Minds. I didn't add a lot of paint and it was almost dry, so I didn't need to add baking soda for the texture. But if your paint is fresh, add some baking soda.
Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon.
So as you can see, I covered the entire bowl with this paint. When the paint dried, I will be using Khaki Chalk Paint by Craft Smart. Also, I will be using Grey Taupe and Neutral Beige by Deco Art.
Circles, try to make up my mind.
I start with khaki and I'm going over with tapping and smudging motions to give it a faux pottery look.
Hours, okay, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. 'Cause I have been planning for quite a long while, been asking your friends how to best.
Next, I'm moving to Grey Taupe and repeating the same process. As you can see, through the process, I remove the excess of the paint.
Just say this to you. Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset, and I would do it all again.
And then I'm moving to Neutral Beige using this brush from the Dollar Tree.
In circles, you're always on my mind. I'm wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. 'Cause
And this is how my footed bowl turned out. Let me know in the comments which of them you liked better. And this is all for today, guys. I think these projects turned out high-end and budget-friendly comparing to the inspo pieces. I think these interior decor pieces are cozy and will fit all design styles. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of the projects is your favorite. And subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my upcoming videos. Thanks for being with me. I really hope to see you all next time on our new DIY adventure. Bye, guys!
and
I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with you. La da 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 da.